Pat's not recording. Where is he?
Yeah, he's
Pat, take this one. Pat, take this one.
Take that one. Oh yeah.
I got one. I can't do two.
That's fucking fluid in those things, bro. Look at that. That's the sound you gotta hear. I'm like dropping like a rock. Look at all these losers. Loser.
I hope you're referring to
That was Kramer. That was Jordan's. Look how big that hole is.
I give everyone a double L. Loser.
Let's do their pants off next time. This one, that's not mine.
Let's do with our pants off next time, you fag. I'm totally down.
No, I said it. The hole was too small. Don't edit it. That's what I said. You couldn't chug it. Their wieners out. Pants off. No. Well, there's no more beers, so we can't do it right now.
He's no six.
I say for next time, Alex. You're making it weird now. Jeez. Fag.
Walk away. Then pan into Madison.
Like half a beer left. I suck at shotgunning.
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Didn't you see that? Did you see that episode of fucking Tosh.0? If you're really, really good at one thing, we don't fucking care.
Oh my god, I'm done.
Just too close. It's good. Like leave the.
Be really, really hot, and then
What's this called again, Jordan? The Johnny Depp.
And I don't know how you can't remember that.
Yo, fuck man, big now, taking over the streets.